Usually, I'm talking about personal safety, safety at height, crane safety, manual handling safety, fire safety, electrical safety at work, accident investigations, and reporting procedures. But today, my topic is entirely different. A new topic, and that is more important in this digital world. Yeah, you are right. I would like to tell you what is cybersecurity and what are the techniques used in cybersecurity to protect the information. Dear friends and fellows, cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computer systems, networks, and sensitive information from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, or destruction. It encompasses a wide range of technologies, processes, and practices that aim to protect against cyber attacks, which include, but not limited to, hacking, phishing, malware, ransomware, and other forms of cybercrime. You are on the platform of Safety First Life. If you are watching for the first time, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon for all future notifications. And if you find the video informative, then like, comment, and share it with your friends and fellows. Do you know cybersecurity involves protecting a wide range of systems and devices, including computers, servers, mobile devices, networks, cloud based systems, and the Internet of Things IoT devices. It also involves protecting sensitive information such as personal data, financial information, and confidential business data. This video is very important and useful, so stick around till the end. There are several strategies and techniques used in cybersecurity to protect against cyber threats. Some of the key strategies include: number one, network security. This involves protecting networks from unauthorized access and attacks, such as hacking and malware. Number two, data security. This involves protecting sensitive information from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, or destruction. Number three, identity and access management. This involves ensuring that only authorized individuals have access to sensitive information and systems. Number four, incident response and disaster recovery. This involves planning and preparation for potential security breaches and having a plan in place to respond to and recover from any incidents that do occur. Technique number five, security awareness training. This involves educating employees, stakeholders, and users on how to identify and respond to cyber threats. Dear friends and fellows, cybersecurity is a constantly evolving field as new technologies and threats are emerging all the time. It is important for organizations and individuals to stay informed and up to date on the latest cyber threats and best practices for protecting against them. Here, the most important question is how to protect ourselves, how to protect against cyber threats. I'll highlight 10 safety tips if you will follow, if you will adopt as a practice, you can protect yourself from cyber attacks. The number one safety tip is use strong and unique passwords. Create complex, hard to guess passwords for all your online accounts and avoid using the same password for multiple accounts. Number two, keep software and operating systems up to date. Update your computer's operating system and software regularly to ensure that you have the latest security patches and fixes. Number three, use a reputable antivirus software. Install and use an antivirus software to protect your computer from malware and other cyber threats. You are on the platform of Safety First Life, and today we are discussing about cyber security and the safety tips against cyber threats. Tip number four, use a firewall. Use a firewall to protect your computer from unauthorized access and prevent cyber attacks. Tip number five, be cautious with email attachments and links. Be wary of opening email attachments or clicking on links from unknown senders, as they may contain malware or phishing attempts. Number six, use a Visual Private Network VPN. Use a VPN to encrypt your internet connection and protect your online activities from being tracked or monitored. Number seven, back up your files regularly. Dear friends and fellows, regularly back up important files and documents to a secure location in case they are lost or stolen. Number eight, use two factor authentication. Always use two factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your online accounts. Tip number nine, use public Wi Fi with caution. You need to avoid using public Wi Fi networks for sensitive activities as they may not be secure. And the last point, safety tip number 10 against cyber threats, be aware of phishing scams. You need to be watchful. Be aware of phishing scams and never provide personal information such as your login credentials or financial information in response to any unsolicited email or phone call. If you will follow these 10 safety tips are the golden rules against cyber threats. It means you are following the cyber security measures. You can protect yourself, your data, your money, and your confidential information from hackers. Otherwise, anytime you may be in the trouble because day by day the technologies are going to be advanced to the higher level. Maybe if you will not keep yourself up to date, you may lose your data or maybe the whole wealth because of your negligence towards cybersecurity and no care about cyber threats. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Wish to see you soon with a new HSC tutorial. Until then, take care, good luck, and goodbye.